Greetings, my beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my space. If you're new here, a warm welcome to you. Feel at home. Enjoy your stay. Thank you all so much for the love and support. As you can see by the title, I am making gungo pea soup with chicken back. Come along with me. Let I show you how I do this, my way, my version, and my style. My chicken back is already washed in vinegar and lemon, and now I'm seasoning it up, and I'm going to put a list of all the seasoning right here on the left.
Sister J, Caribbean cuisine, best foods, mm, best foods. Sister J, Caribbean cuisine. We're from that place where cook the best, best place for his recipe of the you, to you. Sister J, that place will be full of mix. Our spices them mix. And where the definition of cook.
Here I had the garlic
Yes, Sister
and
J.
now the gungo peas.
Give a fever
This
fever.
gungo peas comes straight out of St. Thomas, Jamaica.
Feel from
Yes, now I'm
Barbados.
adding some chicken
Sister J, full
seasoning
of
to that.
things, just believe. Sister J, we no mean for be rude.
And then I'm
From a
gonna
best
add the
recipe, it a get used.
seasoned
Put that
chicken
season
back.
a we no cook.
I also have a leg and a
Sister
thigh in that, but majority of it is chicken back, as you can see. I'm so longing to eat my chicken back. So yes, if you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and hit that red subscription button. Put that post notification bell on so you can be notified of future upload. Here I have corn, sweet potato, Irish potato, pumpkin, turnip, chocho. Also, I have carrots, scallion, and thyme. So I'm adding coconut milk. Yes, guys, normally when I'm doing pea soup, I add coconut milk to that. So here, I already peel my ground food and cut up my corn. Everything washed and cut up and ready for the pot. Now I'm gonna mix the flour and the cornmeal together to make my cornmeal dumpling. Now the pot over here so bubble up. I'm adding the corn, the pumpkin, the chocho, the turnip, and the carrot to that. So I'm just mixing this up and then I'm gonna cover it, make it simmer down a little while I go attend to my dumpling. Here I'm adding some water to my cornmeal and flour. I'm starting off the process using a spoon, then I'll finish off with my hand using a gloves. Okay? So here's the dough for the dumpling. Now I already put the dumplings in and I'm just stirring up the pot. Yes, guys. This pot smells so good already. Now I'm adding my sweet potatoes and my Irish potatoes to the pot. I'm just gonna mix this up. And at this point, I'm adding the chicken noodle, the scallion and thyme, I'll just mix this up and stir it in. Here I'm adding some pimento, but I'm going to beat the pimento because the pimento seed is almost the same size as the gungo peas. And I don't want to make any mistake and eat up those pimento seed. So I'm beating it up. All right, now I'm adding the pimento. Guys, this pot smells so good. Now I'm adding some salt-free seasoning. Some black pepper. And some cock seasoning. And just mixing this up. Stir it in and stir it out and mix it up. A whole heap of something in the pot. Now I'm adding hot pepper. And there you have it. My soup is ready. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't stayed connected with me, what are you waiting on? Go ahead, do the do. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe.
Live good, walk good,
pray
pray good.
One love. Bless up
One
yourself.
love.
Yeah, man.
Bless up yourself.
Please
Yeah, man.
connect for more.
Please subscribe
Delicious
for more
recipes
delicious
from Sister J's
recipes
Caribbean
from
Cuisine.
Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine.